Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry about the lighting. My ring light took a crap and hopefully you guys can still see me okay. I paid way too much for that thing for it to be as junky as it is, so the show must go on though. Sorry it's been a while again since I've done a video for you guys, but like I said, I started a new job. I've been busy and I'm kind of just, using YouTube as like a hobby now instead of trying to really make it on YouTube. I don't know. But I still enjoy doing hauls and I still enjoy sharing what I find with you guys. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I found I thought was a really cool find, and I've already used it and it works really good. It's just this tape dispenser. So, and I already put the tape on it, but this actually works really good and I cannot believe that this was there for $1. I recently started selling stuff on Mercari, so this really comes in handy. But yeah, this was a really great find, I think. So I'm glad I picked that up because I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of that. So I'm just going to go in and randomly grab stuff out like I usually do. So I finally came across more of the birthday cake cotton candy. So I picked up 2 more bags. This stuff is so good. I really should try just the regular cotton candy. I haven't tried that one, but the birthday cake one is so good. So I'm sure the regular one is just as good, but I definitely had to pick up 2 more bags of that. The next thing I picked up are these little princess sandwich bags. I thought these were really cute. I got these just to put, like whatever I sell on Mercari, anything that'll fit in here. I just think it'll be a really cute way of packaging stuff. Hopefully you guys can see like what the bags look like. I just think they're really cute. It looks like they have Ariel, Belle, and Rapunzel. What is that her name? Rapunzel? I forget what her name is. I think it's supposed to be Rapunzel, but it's the girl from Tangled. So yeah, and there's 20 bags in this package. Okay, next I just picked up another pack of my utensils that I always grab. I just needed some more of those, so I grabbed some more. Okay, next I finally found one of the little pom-pom headbands. I thought these were so cute, and this was the last one they had, and I'm so glad that it was pink because that's the one I wanted the most. I know they have gray and black as well, and I'm still on the hunt for those too because these are just adorable. Just ignore the tag, but I just think this is so cute. I had to get this for $1. So I saw these on Shop Miss A and I was going to get some, and then when I found it at Dollar Tree I was really happy. So didn't have to wait for shipping or anything like that, so I grabbed one of those. And then next I finally found the cute little cat pom-pom keychains. I thought this was so cute. Of course I had to get the pink one. They had a bunch of other colors. I believe they had a tan, they had a red, a black, a light blue, and a dark blue, and I think that was it, but you know me, I had to get the pink one. So cute. I'm glad I picked that up. And then a couple of little decorative pieces. I picked up this pink XOXO, and I love how it just looks like bubble letters. I think it's so cute. And then I also picked up the one that says love in gold. So I think these are really cute. These will look really awesome in my bedroom. I have kind of finished redoing it, so I will be putting up a new room tour soon. There's still one wall left that I have to get done. There's just a bunch of stuff over here that's like storage and stuff that's not real cute, so I don't really want to include that in the room tour just yet, but it's pretty much almost done and I'm really excited to show you guys. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It only took me 4 years to get it this way, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys when it is finally finished, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, a few more decorative pieces. I came across the Eiffel Towers and they had multiple colors in this as well. They had a pink and a white. I just got the gold. The pink was cute, but it was more like a salmony colored pink than like a baby pink, so I went with the gold. Can't go wrong with gold. I love gold, you guys know this.
I love gold!
But yeah, I just grabbed this one, and I actually saw somebody on Instagram use this as like a bracelet holder, which I thought was a really cute idea. So yeah. And then I finally came across the little balloon animals. I have been dying to find a balloon animal forever. Like I've seen people finding them at TJ Maxx and everything, and when I saw that Dollar Tree came out with them, I was so excited. So I picked up the dog, and they had these in silver as well, but I had to get gold. And then I also picked up the little elephant. How adorable are these, you guys? I had to have them. So they are so cute. A couple more decorative things I picked up. 2 of these kind of Mercury style, like little bottles, I guess, and the top comes out. And I already went ahead and put some lights in it. Look how pretty that is. So I just have these over on a shelf over here in my bedroom, so definitely had to pick these up, and I thought these were so pretty for Dollar Tree. So, and another idea I almost was going to do was maybe use this for mouthwash in the bathroom, just so it would look really cute sitting on the sink. That's another idea. But I thought these were really pretty for $1, so I had to pick up a couple of those. Okay, there's a bunch of stuff in this bag. I do have a few things that an Instagram friend of mine sent me, Veronica. I will go ahead and share with you the things that she picked up for me. I've been on the hunt for these mugs and couldn't find these two colors in my store. I only came across, I think, the teal one, which I grabbed and hauled before for you guys, but she sent me the pink one and the tan one. And I just think these are such nice mugs for Dollar Tree, and I love the like kind of quilted pattern on them, so I'm definitely excited about these. I'm so glad she found them and sent them to me. And then she also picked up this little stationery kit, and it's so cute because it's pink and it's got a bunch of stuff inside that's also pink. Why can't I open it? How do you open this? I'm so special. There we go. So I'm gonna try to show you guys without dropping everything inside, but that's what comes in it. It's got some binder clips, paper clips, a little tiny tape dispenser, some little post-it like page flags, some pink rubber bands, and then some like little tiny post-its here, little rectangular post-its there. So I thought this was such a cute idea, and this was one of the extras she threw in for me because she thought I would like it, and she was right. It's super cute, and I could definitely use all of these things. So thank you so much, Veronica, for all of this stuff. I'm really appreciative that you took the time to send this out to me, and I definitely will send your stuff out soon. I'm sorry it's taking me so long as well. But she also included another one of the, because I was on the hunt for these when I let her know that I couldn't find them. And of course, after she found it for me, I found some on my own, but she sent me one of the Dove beauty creams. I just love the pink packaging. I think that's the only reason why I really wanted it. Plus, Dove is like really good stuff. So I'm glad she sent me another one of those, so I have plenty of those now. Oh, she also picked up this. This was another little extra she sent me. She said she thought of me when she saw it, and it's so cute. It's just this little frame that says Shine. I already took the little picture that came with it out of it, but I'm gonna put in my own picture. And it also has a magnet on the back if you wanted to stick it to your fridge instead or something like that. So I thought that was really cute. So thank you again, Veronica, for all of this stuff. Okay, next couple things I came across. Like I said, I'm selling on Mercari, so I like to include like little free gifts in my packages, so I picked up a few things for that. I grabbed a couple of these mug sleeves, and I'm tempted to keep one of these for myself, but I'm not sure if I will actually use it. But these are so cute. I just picked up the pink and the silver ones, and they have these in other colors as well. So I just picked up 2 of those. And then I also picked up a couple of these face masks, because I really like to include face masks. I think it's just a cute little, you know, extra gift to include. So this is the Yes to Cotton Comforting Mud Mask, and I picked up, I think I picked up like 4 of these. I already sent 2 of them away, but here's 2 more. And I have one for myself as well, but I've yet to use it. I'm not sure, you know, how good it is, but I'm sure it's good. And then I think that was it for like the little free gifts that I picked up. Next I just have a couple pairs of socks. I came across this performance set of socks, and these looked really nice. It's only 1 pair, which still isn't terrible for $1, but I really like how it has the stretchiness like around the foot. Like, I feel like that really helps with like, you know, circulation and whatever else, but these just look like really nice socks, so I just picked up 1 pair of those. And then I had to pick up these really cute like slipper socks. They are pink and gray and white leopard print, and they're so soft and comfy. I love wearing these around the house, so I definitely had to pick up a pair of those. Okay, next I picked up these for my girl Alicia. She was on the hunt for these. They're just these little skull shot glasses, and I'm pretty sure that she wants to use these for her beauty blenders. I think that's a really cool idea, and she loves skulls and anything like Halloween horror related, so definitely had to grab those for her. Okay, a couple pens. Oh, this was another free gift I picked up. I had picked up the pink one for myself, but I had to pick up the purple one as a free gift to send out in one of my orders. I thought it was really cute, and I know somebody will really enjoy getting that in their package. And then I also came across this really pretty mermaid pin, and I kind of want to go back and get a couple more of these because this is so pretty. They have them in different colors. This one's kind of like a green, a teal, and a pink ombre, if you guys can tell. So it's really pretty, and the brand is Jot, and it's black ink. So hopefully it writes good, but if not, it's going to be super cute just to have on display. Okay, a pack of stickers I found. I thought these were really cute, and I like to put these on. I also include a little thank you note in my packages, so I like to put stickers on those and everything. So I picked up this pack, and I thought they were really cute and girly. Just like this. It says, "You go girl, girl boss, you got this," and then "Never lose your sparkle" with a little unicorn. Comes with 96 stickers and 4 sheets, so I thought those were really cute. Okay, I also picked up another one of these little My Little Pony blind packs, which I've already opened, but I ended up getting, I think this one is Twilight Velvet. Yeah, Twilight Velvet says it right on the back of the card, but I thought it was really cute. I just love these little mini figurines to put on my shelves and things, so I had to pick up another one of those. Then I came across this magnet, and I had to get it because I love the color and it's going to go in my fridge, but I just thought it was adorable. It says, "Pizza is my bae." So cute. Had to pick that up. I'm getting quite the little magnet collection from Dollar Tree. And then I also picked up just another one of these Dial Himalayan Salt hand soaps. It smells so good, and I love that it's pink because it matches my bathroom, so I just picked up another one of those so we have it for when we need it. Then I picked up this little Revo lip balm, and I just grabbed this for my sister's little goodie bag that I'm going to put together for Christmas like I do every year. This is in the flavor Tropical Coconut, and I have way too many lip balms for myself, so that's why I went ahead and just grabbed this for her. Hopefully she'll like this. I know she likes lip balms too, so I'm sure she will. And then the last couple things I picked up, this went really fast, you guys. Sorry if it was like way too fast, but I didn't pick up that much stuff. But I came across these 2 keychains. I thought these were adorable. They look like little Converse. I picked up the gold and the pink. You guys know, 2 favorite colors. So I'm getting quite a little keychain collection too, and I have an idea of kind of how I want to display them. I think I'm gonna put them in my car. I've seen it done before, but anyway, that is my haul for this week. I haven't really been to Dollar Tree as much as I would like because money's been a little tight. There's been a lot of like voluntary time off at work because we're still kind of a new building, so there's not a lot of work yet. We're still kind of filling up and everything, so the next few weeks should be a little better, and hopefully I can get to Dollar Tree a little more often and share my hauls with you guys again. So hopefully you like this and saw some things that you were interested in finding, and I hope that you can find them for yourselves. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching as always, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. I'm just gonna go in and randomly pick stuff out. I just think it'll be cute way of package. It'll be